Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Blog, and today we are going to prepare.
Today we are going to prepare some Chinese rice.
Anyway, before we get into this video, so fry squad, remember to subscribe, like, share, tell your friend to tell a friend about the video. And remember, the recipe I got there in the description.
Now as you can see, we have a chicken. We place the chicken in the sink. Chicken cut in half. Alright, now we'll get a container pour with jerk season with the egg powder mixture already. Powder mixed with water. Then we're gonna pour the water. After you pour the water, you're gonna mix to incorporate the egg powder with the wet jerk. Reminder, the chicken was already pre-seasoned. Natural season and jerk season and all-purpose, Maggi all-purpose. So after you do that now, but this is a nice recipe you can do at your home. You can even do it for as appetizer. After you do that, you're gonna cut it up fine, chop it up fine. Alright, now we have a chicken. As you can see, we have the 5 spice. You're gonna pour your 5 spice all over the chicken. As I said before, this is the mixture of the egg powder with the wet jerk. Then we're gonna pour it over the chicken, as I said before. Then you're gonna mix to incorporate both the egg powder and the wet jerk. But the wet jerk now is gonna enhance the flavor. Even though the chicken is already pre-seasoned, you're gonna use the wet jerk to enhance the flavor. Wet jerk is optional anyway, but trust me, when you use a wet jerk, it really bring out the taste, depending on how much wet jerk you use. Use too much, it's gonna be too pepper or too salty. Use it just the right amount, you get this nice juicy flavor. Alright, as you can see, this is how your chicken is supposed to look. You're gonna bend the wing, and then alright, normally would have four bag of chicken in the sink now. So 5 chicken to a thin sheet. So you know when that cut in half, it'll be 10 half. People don't mind the music. When me cook, me always have to listen to music. Music calm me. Yeah. And you can check out that tune. Cipher done. Definition of family. Yeah. Alright. This is all the color you are looking for your Chinese rice. We Jamaican. This is how your chicken is supposed to look on the thin sheet.
You're gonna place the chicken in the oven.
Then you're gonna put the chicken on 300 degrees first for 30 minutes. Then another 325 for another 35 minutes. Now you're gonna drain off the stock. As you can see, we use the same stock to brush the chicken. That keep the chicken moist and also bring up the flavor, because all of the flavor is in the bone of the chicken. So all of that, throw off the stock and brush it back. Then we're gonna place it back into the oven for 20 minutes on 300 because you don't want the chicken to dry out too much. So we're gonna try to keep the chicken moist. I think and I enjoy looking. So this is about it. I do you not tell about those go fashion and everything. After I'm going to show you how the finished product is going to look. What do you expect the finished product to look like? That's a Chinese roast.
We don't live on a land, lose everything and liberties are go burn. We don't live on a land, them are the young and the riches of the world. The riches of the world, we don't live on a land. Don't live on a land, we don't live on a big life, big life, big life. You know what they might do? You know what they might do? Big life. We don't need a rich wife.